అమెరికాలోని ఐటీ నిపుణులతో సమావేశమైన గుడివాడ ఎమ్మెల్యే వెనిగండ్ల రాము న్యూ జెర్సీలోని ప్రిన్స్ స్టన్ కేంద్ర కార్యాలయంలో ఐటీ నిపుణుల మీట్ అండ్ గ్రీట్ సమావేశానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరైన ఎమ్మెల్యే ఏపీలో ఐటీ సంస్థలను నెలకొల్పేందుకు ఉన్న అపార అవకాశాలను సమావేశంలో వివరించిన ఎమ్మెల్యే రాము కమ్ టు ఏపీ ప్రిఫర్ గుడివాడ అంటూ సమావేశంలో నినాదించిన ఎమ్మెల్యే గుడివాడలో ఇప్పటికే తొలి ఐటీ సంస్థ సేవలు విజయవంతంగా కొనసాగుతున్నాయని వెల్లడి గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాల్లో ప్రతిభావంతులకు కొదవలేదు ఎమ్మెల్యే రాము P4 స్ఫూర్తితో ప్రవాసులు ఏపీ అభివృద్ధిలో భాగస్వాములు కావాలి గుడివాడలో ఐటీ సంస్థ ఏర్పాటు చేసేందుకు ప్రభుత్వం ఎంతో సహకరించింది ప్రిన్స్ స్టన్ CEO రవి కారంశెట్టి వెల్లడి.
Myself, I am Ravi Karamsetti, founder and CEO of Princeton IT Services. Recently, I started my GCC at Gudivada, and I met Ramu Garu. I actually spoke to him before starting, and he invited me with a warm welcome and with all the support. And we had actually great success. You know, I have unbelievable turnout of candidates showing up for the job interviews, and we were able to find a great talent, and the local support was unbelievable, both from the municipal government and from everyone. It was unbelievable, and I welcome everyone to actually take this opportunity, take the support of Ramu Garu, and start your own IT companies back in Gudivada. I welcome everyone to whoever is actually having roots or nearby villages. Please come and set up your offices in Gudivada. Thank you.
Can you please share
Gudivada, Andhra Pradesh.
what Gudivada offers? Yeah. Perfect.
Action.
Hi. I personally want to thank Ravi Karamsetti. He is our hero right now in Gudivada. He is from Princeton IT Services. One of the major IT companies here. I have seen their office. It's so good. So he came to Gudivada, want to set up the office there, and he just mentioned it to me. I tried my best to help him out there, and very happy that without asking anything, he came back to help Gudivada, which is the hometown he was born and brought up, and it's a very, very good initiative. I wanted to make him comfortable, and his company very success in Gudivada, so that a lot of other people will be motivated to come. So I came in I met him in New Jersey in his office, very nice office by the way, and he has already arranged this meeting with all these business leaders, very big, all the business leaders from New Jersey, and a lot of them have background in India and AP. So even some of them are from Gudivada. I urge all of them to come to Gudivada and to set up their global capability centers in Gudivada. So that because I am one of them and I understand this business very well, I'd be able to help them and make sure they are successful ventures for everybody. And especially at this moment, I urge everybody to take up this opportunity, because right now, more than any time in this time, people are coming back from reluctantly coming back to work from home setup. So you will find talent everywhere in Gudivada and other smaller cities. I want to offer everybody, even if it is not Gudivada, AP as such as a whole has a very good potential. We all know that a lot of IT professionals come in from AP, and so you will have the right talent available there in AP. So I want to say, prefer AP, and I would want to rephrase it to come to AP, prefer Gudivada. Thank you.
Ramu Garu, that's your slogan.